at last to rumble over mountains and the plains. From the golden age of steam, an engine seldom seen by those who never lived in bygone days. Big Boy was her name and went on to railroad fame as the largest engine on the UP line. The last of all her class, she served modern times. Big boy, roll on, big boy, rumbling across the northern plains. Roll on, big boy, climbing up the Wasatch Mountain Range. In 1959, they took her off the line and wrote her off as progress for the time. No dry eye could be found in jungles or in towns where once Big Boy had rolled when in her prime. From the junkyards of the past, 4014 is the last to carry on the legacy of steam. At 488 and 4 and a part of railroad lore, she roars from out the past like some lost dream. Roll on, big boy, rumbling across the northern plains. Roll on, big boy, climbing up the Wasatch Mountain Range. Roll on, big boy, roll on. Roll on, big boy, roll on. Roll on, big boy, roll on.